Hey, saving money on a low income might sound impossible, right? But actually, even small changes can add up over time. In this guide, I'll show you practical ways to save money every month, even if your budget is tight. First, you need to know where your money is going. Track every expense for at least a month: rent, groceries, bills, transportation, and even small purchases like coffee. Once you see the numbers, it's easier to find areas to cut back. Next, make a simple budget. Divide your money into essentials, wants, and savings. Even on a tight income, try to set aside a small amount for savings each month. Even $5 or $10 counts. Consistency is more important than the amount. You don't have to cut everything. Pick one non-essential expense to reduce or eliminate. Maybe a subscription, takeout, or daily coffee run. Even small savings add up over time and help you build a cushion. Automate your savings, even if it's just a tiny amount. Set up an automatic transfer the same day you get paid. When the money moves automatically, you won't be tempted to spend it. Look for ways to increase your income even a little. Side gigs, freelance work, or overtime can make a big difference for low-income households. Even a few extra dollars per week can build your savings faster than you think. Finally, spend intentionally. Ask yourself if a purchase is really necessary and avoid impulse buying. So yeah, saving money on a low income is possible. Track your spending, create a simple budget, cut one expense, automate savings, increase income, and spend mindfully. Small steps done consistently will help you build financial security over time.